Hello team. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a free online tool to convert webp files to PNG and vice versa, from PNG to webp. You can find the link to the tool in the description. So please open your browser and go to the page address you see on the screen. First, let's convert only one file. Click on Upload Image on the web page. Find and select webp image file. Now click on Convert Me button. The converted link appears above the button. Now click on that link. Select the download folder and name for the converted file. As you can see, the image has been downloaded. Now let's check it. Awesome, we just converted the webp image file to PNG. That was really easy. Now, let's convert multiple files. Click on the Upload area and select Multiple Files. Click on Convert button. New links appear. Click on each link to save the converted image files. Well done! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or ideas for improvements, don't be shy to write them in the comments of this video. Thanks for watching and have a perfect day.